Once you have the domain set up, the next step is setting up your database. It's in the same hosting control center, but you have to click Databases and MySQL or MySQL. Now, GoDaddy will give you an option to set up a database. You can see that I have many databases here. In fact, I've used 24 of my 25 possible databases in the deluxe hosting account. Probably have to buy a bigger or more accommodating hosting service, or delete some of the databases and set up others. But you just click Create Database. Once you click Create Database, GoDaddy will give you the option to create a new database. Now, what I do is I usually have an Excel sheet open, and everything I do, I first write in my Excel sheet. For example, if we have now a description and database username, so I'll give it a description. For example, in this case, it will be I will use CMS, for example, because I'm setting up a CMS website. So let's do it CMS in easy, because it's CMS in easy, in simple steps, in simple. So I take this and I paste it in my Excel, and once more, and this will be description and username, the same. Now I need a new password, so I just type some kind of password. You'll want all kinds of things in it, maybe that, like that, whatever you decide. But first write it down in your Excel or wherever, maybe Word, but watch out for Word that you don't have extra symbols. Anyway, and then I paste the new password here. It's saying that it's weak, so I'll change it again. Maybe a capital letter, maybe another capital letter. How about this one? Is it still weak? Oh, much better, stronger. So I paste it again. Now I have a password. Here, allow direct database access, yes, because you want to access your database in various situations. Leave this empty, you don't need it. And now just click OK. So now GoDaddy is going to set up invalid password. Why is that? Must contain 7 to 14 characters. So maybe we use more than 14 characters. Maybe. Okay, so let's change that around. Let's have a proper password. Okay. How about this? Will this go? New password? Yeah, okay, it goes. So, again, okay. And wait for it. Yes. So now we have CMS in simple. You see the lowest one, description, and it's pending setup. And again, you can do refresh whenever you wish and wait for the setup to complete. We'll take a break and wait for the setup to complete, and then I'll show you what to do with the database info. Okay. So now you can see that CMS Simple has been set up. It took about 5 minutes. And now you have this, on the right, you have this little pencil. It's Edit View, and the X is to delete. So we're going to the pencil, and it'll show us the info for the database, where it's located. And in fact, we will use this information to access it. Here we have it. Just copy everything it says here. Just copy this, copy, and paste it into the Excel that we used before. So this would be username. This is the password. And this is the all-important location of database. Okay, let's make this column a bit more expansive. Okay, this is what we need to set up our CMS database, and this will be the subject of the next clip.